Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're gonna knock up a chicken bacon ranch dinner salad tonight. So let's go. Wash your lettuce. Never trust the pre-wash. You know they didn't. If they did, restaurants wouldn't need the sign, employees must wash hands. Come on, be smarter than that. So chop your lettuce up, throw it in a large bowl. This is a meal salad, make a dinner-sized portion. Dice a tomato. This is a Roma one. Throw it on top. Now cut an avocado in half. And then I like to make a little grid pattern. And then it scoops out really easy with a spoon. Now, you're not going to go full guac on this one, but you are going to season it. When you start adding lime juice and chili and all that good stuff, those flavors start to clash with the ranch, and we're making a chicken bacon ranch salad, so that's what we're going for. But you do you. I'm going to season mine with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm going to slice up some red onion. You know, as much as you want, don't overpower it. You don't want to overload it and ruin it with onion. I got 4 ounces of warm chicken. I popped in the microwave. This is where the microwave really shines. You go, little rock star. I'm gonna throw that on top. I'm gonna crumble 2 strips of cooked bacon on top of that. That'll be good. You know, you want it crisp, you want a little bit of crunch. Yeah, you really want to have cooked most of the fat out of the bacon. It should have all rendered out by now. Add 2 tablespoons of ranch. That's the serving size per the bottle, 170 calories later, but Optional 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, up to you, but I added it. Now, it looks pretty. Take your picture, take your selfie, before getting down to business of tossing this salad. Now, there's no right or wrong way to toss a salad, but really, you're just trying to get that dressing all over everything. Now, this salad definitely isn't low calorie. As shown, I think it's about 800 or so, best estimate. But it is tasty, it's filling, lots of, vitamins and all that, and you actually feel good after eating it. So, enjoy, have a great night, see you later, friends. Ciao.